It's a long way to Santa Fe. I stay awake on 100 coffee sips, and I've tried to keep tight lips. Oh, but I had a telephone. The rest is gone, and I guess I'm to blame. But don't you ever call my name. Can't we talk the same? And you were sleeping in the afternoon. There must have been a full moon late last night on a blanket that was mine. And if what goes comes back around, well, you've gotta come in now. And I hope someday that you'll be done this way. Then you'll call my name. Well, I have said some things, and I have pled my case, and I have cursed your name out loud. But those are just the sounds of a man who's doing all he can. Just the sounds of a man who's doing all he can. Unleash the hounds, 'cause it's down and out from here, and there ain't nothing left but the sounds. And they all said, pick yourself up, kid. You can replay the things you did, but then let her go. And it's gonna take some time, you know. But ask me if I still see her face, and ask me if I still wait for her to change her mind. What I've been doing with my time, what's been running through my mind. And I will say some things, and I will plead my case, and I will say that I'm fine now. But those are just the sounds of a man who's doing all he can. Just the sounds of a man who's doing all he can. Unleash the hounds, 'cause it's down and out from here, and there ain't nothing left but the sounds. So I'm off to Santa Fe to hide